Hi guys, welcome to another video. So we've just had a parcel arrive from Born Pretty. Should we have a little look, see what they've sent? So let's have a little look. We have got the new PVC Soft Solid Gel in colour AP02. And we've got 4 gels. Right, I'm just going to get these all unboxed and then we'll take a look at them. Right, so we are all unboxed and ready to go. So we've got the PVC Soft Solid Gel. We have got the Born Pretty Peelable Base Gel. Can't wait to try that. We've got a Born Pretty Silky White Series Gel Polish in colour CG007. Looks nice. And then we've got 2 of the... For those of you that saw my last Born Pretty PR video, you'll have seen that I showed a couple of the new Born Pretty Magic Cat Eye Gels. These are 2 more colours from that collection. I really like these. These are definitely my favourite cat eyes that I've ever tried. They're well smart, so I can't wait to get them swatched. So I'm going to swatch everything to start with, and then depending on what time we get, if I get enough time, I might do a little design at the end of this video. If not, then I shall definitely be doing a design using some of these in a video this week. So let's see what time we get. So this is the Cat Magnetic Gel, colour number 1. Now I'm going to swatch these over a black swatch stick because you get the best effect of these cat eyes over a black. Oh, look at that. Wow. I'm a little bit excited for these. Who's ready? Look at that. I said this about the other ones, but just as a colour on their own, they're absolutely stunning. Look at that. Beautiful colour, but wait until you see it with the magnet effect. So this is the magnet. These are also available on the Born Pretty website. Oh, I like it. Give it a... Oh, wow. Yeah, that is beautiful. Look at that. I love how it leaves that golden colour behind, but then moves just the cat eye particles. Beautiful that is. I really like that. And another thing I like about these cat eyes, if you're not happy with the design, you can just go over with an empty brush. You haven't got to have no more product on there. And you can just go straight back over it. And it resets. You can do so many different things with these cat eyes. They're amazing. You can do the original cat eye effect. Like that. You can do loads of different things with these. I like to just bring the colour out like this. Give it a wiggle. Give it a wiggle. Give it a wiggle. And then I like to give it that swell. Just like that. Then once you're happy with it, you want to put it in the lamp straight away, because then particles will start to move back if you don't cure it straight away. But the minute you put it in the lamp to cure, it will hold it in place. So this one is colour number 6. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, I really like that. Beautiful red colour. Look at that. It's like a red and silver. Beautiful. Beautiful just on its own. Let's give it a little wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. And then give it the swirl. Look how that leaves the red in the background. It's like a hot pinky red. Oh, I like that. Look how vibrant that is. Right, get that in the lamp quick. Now, you haven't got to apply these cat eyes just over a black. You can apply them over different colours, like white and things. You get a more of a kind of subtle effect when you apply it over a white. Have I got a white swatch stick? An old white swatch stick here anywhere? Just so I can show you. I think I have, you know. Just to save me swatching a white swatch stick, I'm just going to use an old white one, what I've got here. I'll show you what I mean. So that's what it looks like over a white. You can still see it, but it's a much more subtle effect. So actually make quite a nice topper. You can't even see it now, look. I can see it. Just gives it like a reddy shimmer. Come on, are you serious? There you go, look. Can you see that? It just jazzes that white up nice, doesn't it? Let's see what happens when I use the magnet. Yeah, that kind of intensifies it a bit. Look at that. Beautiful. Actually looks really cool. You see that? It's actually a lot more visible to the eye than what my camera's showing. Come on. It's got more of a red effect to the eye. Yeah, it's nice. It's a really nice subtle colour. Yeah, I like it. Now we're going to be taking a look at Born Pretty's new gel polish range, which is called the Silky White series. So the colour of this one is CG007. Oh, that's a really nice base colour. You can see me using this a lot for like nail beds. You know, some designs, they need that little bit of a duskier pink nail bed colour. This is that perfect colour. This is a kind of staple colour that everyone needs in their collection. Look at that. Really, really pretty. Gorgeous. Cure that. Now this, guys, is the Born Pretty Peelable Base Gel. Now, I can't really show you me swatching this because it is just a clear. It is rather thick. Very thick, actually. Now, I use Peelable Base Coat a lot, just so I can, when I do a full set of nails, I use this as my base coat, and it just means that I can pop the nails off whenever I want, which means I can just get more content out for you guys, obviously. So, yeah, I've only ever tried one other brand of Peelable Base Coat, so I'm dying to see what this one's like compared to that one. So I'm going to be putting some nails on my hands very soon because, yeah, they need it. I haven't had nails on in ages. So when I come to do my nails this week, I shall definitely be using that. So keep your eyes out for that one if you want to know what that's like. And then what I'll probably do is I'll probably do an update after a couple of weeks, and I'll show you if the nails are still on, and if they are, I'll show you how to pop them off. Right, now we're going to be taking a look at this brand new Born Pretty product, which is called PVC Soft Solid Gel. And this colour is AP02. So inside the pot comes like this. You've got your protective foil seal, which comes off really easy. Wow, that actually shocked me. They're usually a nightmare to get off. Oh wow, look at that colour. Ooh, look at that. Can't wait to have a little play with this. So this can be used for many different things. You can make charms with it, you can do 3D nail art with it. Now I think it's going to be better over a black because it's got that kind of Aurora look to it. So again, I've pulled out the black swatch stick. And I'm just going to give it a quick coat of the Born Pretty base coat. So I'm just going to pull a little bit out for now, just a little tiny bit, like that. Pull my silicone tool out. Then I'm just going to give that a quick cure. Pull it a little bit more out. Like that. Then I'm just going to keep adding these all the way down the nail, but I'll do the rest of these off camera, guys, just to save time. I will just say now though, this is definitely not the best 3D artwork I've ever done, but I just wanted to do something really quick just to show you an idea of what you can do with it. Then I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. Right, another thing you can use this stuff for is to make charms. So I've pulled out this little teddy bear and sweet mould. Right, so that's all filled like that. Then I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. So I cured that for 90 seconds and that seems like plenty. It seems like they are fully cured. Oh wow, look at these, they're so cute. Oh guys, they are adorable. Look at them. They are so cute. Actually, let me put them on there, look. You can see them all. Oh, look. And on that teddy is unreal. Don't think you're going to be able to see it because the light. Oh, there you go, look. Look at the teddy, the detail on the teddy's face. Oh, that is a beautiful colour, isn't it? Really, really pretty colour. Loves it. Like I say, you can put that over any colour, but you're going to get a better effect over a black. It's going to bring out that more purple colour. If you was to put that over, say, a white, it's going to be really, really subtle. I really like that. Gorgeous colour. So, that is everything swatched, guys. And that is the rest of the swatches. So we've got the 2 cat eyes, colour number 1, colour number 6, and that's colour number 6 over a white. And then we have got the Silky White Series Gel Polish, colour number CG007. I really like this as a base colour, you know. Because you see me using that a lot. Yeah, they're well smart. So everything that I've showed you today, I shall leave the links for in my description box. So if there's anything that you're interested in that you've seen me shown, all you got to do is click the link and that will take you straight on over to the product. I have got a 10% off discount code for Born Pretty as well, which is GG10. So don't forget to pop that in at checkout to save yourself 10% off your whole order. I want to say a massive thank you to Born Pretty for sending these out for us to take a look at, especially these 2 cat eyes. Thank you so much for sending the rest of those. Like I said at the beginning, I will be doing a design using some of the products out of today's video. And I'll do that this week at some point. Just keep your eyes out for that video. For now, I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.